Okay, everybody, this is a quick part 2 of our integration of our simple checkout. And I just want to finish up by correcting a couple things. I had made a mistake on line 90 here, where I have item name. It really should be quantity there because it's the quantity of the product. And then below it, I have a shipping, and I believe that's why we had our mistake. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. We still have our subtotal and price, which is fine. As I go through this, we need to make sure that we have reasons for everything. So this P tag, that's a straight P tag. And we need to figure out why things are the way they are. But I can just close that, and now our color coding comes back to normal. I can go ahead and re-upload that. So actually I've got this checkout is save as. It's on my desktop. So I will go ahead and go to my desktop here, refresh on that side, and throw the checkout up. And then we'll run it through a test. The reason being is that for your portfolios, you want to have an effective checkout. It's, again, a talking point for any job interview. You can talk about things that you do to ensure that the user never jumps ship or is a bounce rate, which is the proper term. So right here, I'm going to have Chris Secor, same thing. I mean, this checkbox is not functional, but sometimes when you think PayPal's down, it's not. And one of the things that I found is that if you look at the URL, you can see error codes. So we'll go ahead and type in that. And the checkout here has that just for hinting when I was coding, but don't worry about it. So now we're working fine. Now I can create, I can go ahead and pay with a debit card. Hopefully that's what opens up here. And there we go. So if I click on this, we should have our values. Camera, item to $700. So everything works as is, and that's our checkout. So again, until next week, we'll be doing a loop to get all products, and we'll make sure that select as billing works. Notice how all my code pre-populated in the billing address, and that's all the same. That's the beauty that I wanted to display, of taking care of the responsibility on the front end instead, so the user doesn't have to type anything else in, because that's frustrating, especially if they type in multiple times. Plus, we have the ability to take that data and use it later. So anyway, that is part 2 concluded.